Hello, in this video I will show you very short Python script which can open CSV files, get information from them and produce output in either CSV or JSON format. We'll compare it with same solution done in Excel file. So let's have a look on Excel file first. So we have three sources of information. One is master file. Actually, in this task we will be trying to find out what we need to order from supplier. So let's presume that this is our inventory, products which we hold, supplier, target stock, trigger point is the point when we get with inventory when we need to place new order, order quantity, and we'll get to the other columns later. So this is master file with all information about there are 2000 different SKUs. Then this is inventory file which got 8000 different locations. So these 2000 products are saved and stored in 8000 different locations, so there is more than one location for product, and current inventory in a given location. So some locations got some products, some of them are empty. Third file is Undelivered. So this is when we already place order with supplier but it haven't arrived yet. So we will be treating this as available or something what we don't need to order. So this is pretty much simple Excel formula. So we'll sum up by SKU from inventory what we hold at the minute. Then we will do same with Undelivered and check if we need to place new order or not. We need to place new orders, as I said, if inventory and Undelivered altogether is less than trigger point. We could put less and equal, but it would get slightly different result maybe for some SKUs, but it's up to interpretation. So we'll use less now, and then we'll calculate how much we need to order. So if we need to place order, then we need to get we always have to order in order quantities or multipliers of this order quantity. So first we need to calculate this multiplier, which is this part of script, and this may be number 1, 2, 3, etc. and then multiply by order quantity. So on this SKU multiplier is 1, so we need to order 1150. On this SKU, for example, multiplier is 2, so we need to order 600. Even order quantity is 300, so we are okay because it's multiplying. This product, for example, we don't need to order because inventory and Undelivered is more than trigger point. I highlighted few SKUs because we will be looking and comparing this Excel solution with Python solution. So we got, as I said, three files: master, inventory and Undelivered, which are now saved in this Excel file, but they are also separate CSV files here as input files for the script. Output directory is empty. There will be two new files created when we run the script, but let's quickly go through script and explain what will actually happen. So we will need to open these three files, which is this part of script, and save all information from each file to different variable. We will also create variable suppliers, which will be building solution and outcome pretty much from start, and we'll use this supplier variable at the end to create output CSV file and output JSON file. So we will read one by one. The scripts for each file are very similar. So this is for master file. We will read it using CSV dict reader, and then we loop through each line in file and assign all values to variables. We will save all these variables in the master variable as a dictionary, and we will also add supplier to our suppliers dictionary, which we'll use later. Then we'll do similar with inventory and undelivered file. Once we read files, what we need to do slightly different comparing with master file is that inventory file, some products may occur for first time or may repeat again, so we need to use this try except script. So we'll try to add value to certain SKU if it already occurred earlier. If it not, it will throw a key error, and then we will just assign initial value to it. Similar with undelivered CSV, there is option that some products will not have any undelivered CSV, so they will not appear. So again, we will try. If they appear, we will add it. If they don't, then we will just assign value to it. As a next step, we will calculate actually what we need to order. So we will use variable master, what we created earlier, and we will loop through it one by one, assigning trigger and target values. Then we will try, again two options, we will try to get current value from inventory and undelivered. If some products don't have any undelivered order, then we will just assign inventory value. Then we will check and compare if current stock is less than trigger, and this is exactly that point when we can assign less than equal. But again, to make it same with script and Excel, we will use less. We could do both less than equal, and we will get the same result for both options. And if quantity is less than the trigger point, we will create another variable, which is supplier, and to order. To order will be quantity, supplier will be supplier name. Then we will assign supplier and products to suppliers dictionary, which we created here, and we will calculate exactly same way like in Excel file quantity which we need to order. So we will create multiplier with this script, which will be 1, 2 or 3 etc., and just multiply it by order quantity. Once we got calculation done, we got everything saved in suppliers dictionary, and we can create output files. So first output file will be output CSV, when we will write all the information in table format, which will have supplier name, SKU and quantity. Second option is JSON format, which got simpler code, but it's also better readable, because we can group, and we will actually group orders by suppliers. So when I run this script, it should literally take seconds, and 2 new files appear in output dictionary. So now we have output CSV, which is list of, so is this one, it's list of suppliers, products and order quantities, and we can compare it with Excel file, which we had a look earlier. So this product should be order, is actually first one, so this is matching up. This product, because we got enough, we don't need to order, so when we search in this newly created output file, it should not be there. That's fine, because we don't need to order it. This example, we actually need to order twice as much as order quantity, so let's check, and yeah, that's correct, that's 600. And we can compare with product where we don't have any inventory, but we have something incoming, but still need to order more. So let's check this one, and it's 3400. And now we can check another SKU where, comparing with this one, we have some inventory, we have nothing incoming, but because inventory is so low we need to order some more, so this should give us output as 100 to order. Yeah, and then we can go to end of file just to make sure it's reading from start to end. So this product should not be in output file because we got enough, don't need to order anymore. So let's check, and that's correct. And the last one should have 1300, and this is correct as well. So final check, can close this, is total quantity to order across all SKUs, and it's 2,536,800, which is same like in this Excel file. Now we can have a very quick look on JSON file. Output is same like output Excel file, it just displayed differently in JSON format, which is grouped by supplier. So for example, this first supplier, and this is what we need to order from this one. We can close it and we got another one, and we got same for all 30 suppliers. So thank you for watching, and I will try to do some more either Excel or maybe more Python videos, mostly related to supply chain. Thank you very much.